Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Podcast, the place where you practice real English for real life. I'm Sarah.
And I'm John. Thanks for joining us today. We're so happy you're here.
Today's episode is going to be very practical, very useful, and maybe a little bit delicious.
Delicious. That sounds interesting. Why delicious?
Because today we are talking about something everyone loves, going to a restaurant.
Oh, I love this topic already. Food and English together? Perfect combination.
Exactly. Today, we're going to help you feel confident when you go to a restaurant and need to speak English. We'll go step by step from entering the restaurant to paying the bill.
Yes, and don't worry, we're going to use simple English, clear explanations, and lots of examples.
And we'll also do some role plays so you can hear natural conversations.
So if you've ever felt nervous about ordering food in English, this episode is for you.
Okay, John, imagine this. You are hungry, very hungry.
That's not hard to imagine.
You walk to a restaurant. You open the door. What happens next?
Well, usually there's a person at the entrance. This person might be called the host, the hostess, or sometimes a waiter.
Right. The host is the person who greets you and shows you to your table.
So what should you say first?
Very simple. Just smile and say, hello.
Yes. Sometimes learners think they need a long sentence, but no, just hello or hi is perfect.
Then the host might say, hello. How many people?
That means how many people are in your group?
Exactly. And you can answer with this very useful sentence. A table for two, please.
Let's break that down. A table, that's where you sit. For two, the number of people. Please, always important.
If you are alone, you say, a table for one, please.
If you are with three friends,
A table for four, please.
perfect. Very simple pattern.
After that, the host will probably say, this way, please, or follow me, please.
That means you walk behind them to your table.
You sit down. Now you are at the table. What's the first thing you usually need?
The menu.
Exactly. Sometimes the waiter gives you the menu immediately, but sometimes you need to ask.
And here's a very polite sentence. Can I have the menu, please?
Notice the structure. Can I have? This is one of the most useful phrases in English.
Yes, you can use can I have for many situations. Can I have some water? Can I have the bill? Can I have a coffee?
Very useful structure. And again, don't forget please.
Now you open the menu. Sometimes menus can be confusing.
Yes, especially if English is not your first language. Let's talk about some common sections on a menu.
First, we usually have starters or appetizers.
These are small dishes you eat before the main meal. For example, soup, salad, garlic bread.
Then we have the main course or main dish.
This is the big meal, the main part. For example, chicken with rice, steak, pasta, fish, a hamburger.
Now I'm getting hungry.
Me too. After the main course, we have something sweet.
Dessert.
Exactly. Ice cream, cake, chocolate cake, cheesecake, fruit,
And of course, drinks.
and water, juice, soda, coffee, tea, wine.
Okay, you're looking at the menu, you're deciding. Then the waiter comes to your table and asks, are you ready to order?
This means, Have you decided what you want?
If you are ready, you can say, yes, I am, or yes, we are.
But what if you need more time?
You can say, just a minute, please, or we need a few more minutes, please.
Very polite, very natural. Now, this is the important part. You want to order. Many learners say, I want a burger. Is that correct?
Grammatically, yes, but it sounds a little direct, not very polite.
Right. In restaurants, it's better to say, I would like or I'll have.
For example, I would like the chicken, please.
Or, I'll have the pasta, please.
I'll have is short for I will have.
It sounds natural and friendly. Sarah, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup, please.
And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled chicken with vegetables, please.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Perfect. Now, John, let's talk a little more about drinks, because sometimes the waiter doesn't just ask, what would you like to drink? Sometimes they ask more specific questions.
That's true. For example, they might say, still or sparkling water?
Yes, that can be confusing. Still water means water with no bubbles. Sparkling water means water with bubbles, like soda, but no sugar.
Or they might ask, would you like that small or large?
This is very common with drinks like soda, coffee, or juice.
So if the waiter says small or large, you can answer small, please, or large, please.
Very simple. Just repeat the option and say please.
Okay, you ordered your food. Now you wait.
Maybe you talk with your friend, maybe you look at your phone, maybe you're just very hungry and excited.
Then the waiter comes back with your food and says, here you are, or enjoy your meal.
And what should you say?
Always, thank you.
Yes, simple and polite. So, now you're eating. The food is on the table, it looks good. After a few minutes, the waiter might come back and ask, is everything okay?
Or how is everything?
This is your chance to respond. If the food is good, you can say, yes, it's delicious. Or, everything is great, thank you. Or, it's very good, thank you.
The word delicious is a great word to use in restaurants. It means very, very good.
Yes. Try to use that word next time.
But what if you need something? Maybe you need more water. Maybe you want more bread. Maybe you dropped your fork.
Good question. First, you say, excuse me.
This is how you politely get the waiter's attention.
Then you use our favorite structure again. Can I have?
For example, can I have some more water, please? Can I have some more bread, please? Can I have another fork, please?
Notice the word another. Another means one more.
Very useful word.
Now let's talk about something important. What if there is a problem?
Yes, maybe your food is cold. Maybe it's not what you ordered. Maybe there is a mistake.
Don't panic. Stay calm. Be polite. You can say, excuse me, I think there is a mistake. Or, excuse me, this isn't what I ordered.
Or if the food is cold, excuse me, my food is cold.
Always speak calmly and politely. Most restaurants will fix the problem quickly.
Remember, the goal is communication, not perfection.
Okay, now you've finished your main course. You're full, but maybe not completely full.
There's always space for dessert.
So, the waiter might take your empty plates and ask, would you like to see the dessert menu?
If you want dessert, say, Yes, please.
Then you look at the menu and decide. When the waiter comes back, you can say, I would like the chocolate cake, please, or I'll have the ice cream, please.
Same structure, nothing new, just confidence.
In many restaurants, people also order coffee or tea after dessert.
The waiter might ask, would you like coffee or tea?
You can answer, yes, I'll have a coffee, please, or no, thank you.
No thank you is important. Always polite, even when you say no.
Now, the meal is finished. You're happy, you're full, and now it's time to pay.
In American English, people usually say check. In British English, people usually say bill, but both are correct. Everyone understands both.
To ask for it, say, can I have the bill, please? Or, can we have the check, please?
Notice we if you are with other people.
Yes, very natural.
The waiter brings the bill. You look at it, everything is correct. Now you want to pay.
If you are paying with card, you can say, can I pay by card? Or, do you take credit cards?
If you are paying with cash, you just give the money. When you give the card or money, you can say, here you are.
That's a very natural phrase when giving something to someone. After you pay, the waiter gives you your receipt. You stand up, you're ready to leave. What do you say?
Just smile and say, thank you, goodbye, or have a nice day.
Very simple, very friendly.
Before we finish, let's give our listeners some confidence tips.
Yes. Tip number 1. Keep your sentences simple. You don't need complicated grammar.
Tip number 2, use polite words. Please, thank you, excuse me.
Tip number 3, speak slowly. It's okay to speak slowly.
And tip number 4, don't be afraid of mistakes.
Most waiters are patient and helpful. They just want to understand you.
And remember, ordering food is one of the most common conversations in English. When you practice this, you're practicing real-life English.
All right, John, let's do one full role play from the moment you enter the restaurant until you leave.
Perfect. I'm ready. I'm very hungry.
Good. I'll be the host and the waiter. You're the customer. Hello. Welcome to Green Garden Restaurant.
Hello. A table for one, please.
Of course. This way, please.
Thank you.
Here is your table. Here's the menu.
Thank you very much.
Are you ready to order?
Just a few more minutes, please.
Of course. Are you ready to order now?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Very good. And for your main course?
I'll have the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'll have a glass of water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still, please.
Perfect. I'll be right back with your drink. Here is your soup and your water. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
A few minutes later. Is everything okay?
Yes, it's delicious. Thank you.
Later. Here is your main course. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
A few minutes later.
Excuse me.
Yes,
Can I have some more water, please?
of course. After finishing, would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. I would like the chocolate cake, please.
Great choice. After dessert.
Excuse me. Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here's your receipt.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
And that's it. That's a full restaurant conversation.
Now, imagine yourself in that situation. You can do this.
One great way to practice is to repeat after us. Pause the episode and say the sentences out loud.
Yes, speaking out loud is very important. Listening is good, but speaking builds confidence.
You can also practice at home with a friend. One person is the waiter, one person is the customer.
Switch roles. Practice both sides. It really helps you understand the conversation better.
Before we finish, Sarah, what's your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
I love pasta, especially pasta with tomato sauce. Simple and delicious.
Nice choice. I love pizza. A big pizza with cheese and mushrooms.
Now I'm hungry again.
Me too. We always end our food episodes hungry.
To everyone listening, remember, English doesn't have to be complicated.
Start simple. A table for two, please. I would like. Can I have? The bill, please.
Short sentences, clear pronunciation, polite words. That's enough.
And don't forget to smile. A smile works in every language.
You are more capable than you think. Thank you so much for listening to English Daily Podcast.
If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who is learning English.
And practice these phrases the next time you go to a restaurant.
We believe in you.
Until next time,
Keep practicing.
and keep speaking English every day.
Goodbye.